Hey guys, Paul here from Knight Customs, and James has been working on something really cool for you guys, introducing the Terra Recon. A classic military-inspired conversion kit for your Vanquish H10 Optic, ready for reconnaissance on the rocks. With the included engine, single driver interior, and awesome scale accessories, this is something that's going to make your rig stand out on the trail. James has brought you the ultimate Terra Recon experience with the short wheelbase version. But for those of you that want fast action, we have options for the stock wheelbase too. So let me break down exactly what's included with the Knight Customs Terra Recon conversion kit. Starting out with the front end, we've got a classic slotted military style grille. One of my favorite things about this kit is the awesome cutout hood, perfect for showing off this V8 supercharged front mount engine. So just look at this engine bay. We've got a detailed radiator complete with light buckets, an intake, valve covers, 2 pulley systems, and some amazing amount of detail. Moving on from the front end, included with your kit will be our ever popular single driver interior. Here we're featuring our optional working dual interior with Scale Builders Guild and Harley Designs. The Knight Customs interiors are feature rich with navigation panel, instrument cluster, gear shifter, and more. And our classic off-road direct fit door panels. Behind your driver is where you'll find your options for short wheelbase and long wheelbase, this awesome crossmember mesh, jerry can, and jerry can mount. For the long wheelbase version, we have rear quarter panels that fit right on the stock cage. And for the short wheelbase version, we include this rear clip and easy to use cage trimming guide. Huge props to James on the short wheelbase version, featuring the classic military styling, and a huge shout out to John at Mission Models for the long wheelbase version. The Knight Customs Terra Recon conversion kit is available pre-printed and packaged now at amainhobbies.com or your local hobby shop. Or if you want to print the files yourself or have them printed locally, visit knightcustoms.com. And to keep up with all the things that James is doing, make sure and follow us across all our social media platforms at Knight Customs. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you out there on the next one.